JEE మెయిన్స్ మరియు అడ్వాన్స్డ్ కోసం తెలుగులో ఓజీ కంటెంట్ అందిస్తున్న ఛానల్ JEE తెలుగు మంత్ర. వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
Welcome to JEE Telugu Mantra. In the first video, discuss about the sides, angles and circumradius of the pedal triangle. Now in this video, we discuss about area of pedal triangle. Area of pedal triangle and in radius. This is smaller and this is capital A. Area of pedal triangle and in radius of pedal triangle. Now again you draw pedal triangle here. ABC is a triangle and here DEF, theta of the perpendiculars. DEF is called pedal triangle. Now we have to find out the area of the triangle DEF. We know that the area of a triangle, the normal triangle is equal to half into base into height. But in properties of triangles, we have to find out the area of the triangle half into BC into sin A. Everybody knows that. Half into one side into another side into sin of that included angle. In the same way here we obtain the area of the pedal triangle also. Here DF is the one of the side and DE is the another side and D is the included angle here. D is the included angle here. We have to find out the area of triangle, pedal triangle DEF. We know that 180 minus 2A and 180 minus 2B and 180 minus 2C angles and sides B cos B, C cos C and A cos A the sides. Here B can be written as 2R sin B. Therefore here R sin 2B, R sin 2C, R sin 2A. By using these two, we obtain the area of the pedal triangle. See here area of pedal triangle. A is equal to, see, half into B into C into sin of that included angle. Here I wrote DF first side and second side is DE. Included angle is sin of angle FDE. See, these two are the sides and included angle is angle D. That should be FDE of sin. Because area of triangle in properties of triangle is half into BC into sin A. Like that, both sides are product and sin of that angle D. Therefore, half into, what is DF? What is the side of pedal triangle DF? Opposite to what is this B, no? For that is B cos B. This is B cos B, or we can write in the terms of R sin B, R sin B, R sin 2B, but DE is equal to what's its opposite C. Therefore R sin 2C sin of angle D, that means 180 minus 2 angle A, because angle D is opposite to the vertex A. Therefore R into R square, for R square by 2 sin 2B sin 2C sin 180 minus theta sin theta. Therefore area of pedal triangle in terms of circumradius, keep aside here capital A is equal to R square by 2 sin 2A sin 2B sin 2C. Area of pedal triangle in terms of circumradius is equal to r square by 2 sin 2a sin 2b sin 2c. Now we have to find out by using the sides, because b cos b, c cos c and a cos a. Whatever it is, both are same, but you have to find out by using this side also. We can get one formula. By using b cos b, just the same I apply here. So I remove this one in terms of capital R. By using the sides here, half into df, that means b cos b, d is equal to c cos c into sin 180 minus 2a. 180 minus 2 angle A. Here b into c, bc by 2 into cos b into cos c sin 180 minus 2a sin 2a. Now here bc by 2 cos b cos c sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Here 2 to cancel here. And here BC, the remaining sin A and cos A. See BC, cos B, cos C, cos A. Here sin A in terms of sin rule. Sin rule is equal to A by sin A is equal to 2R. But I want only sin A. Sin A is equal to A by 2R. A by 2R. In the place of sin A, we write A by 2R. Therefore, A into BC, ABC by 2R, cos A, cos B, cos C. We know one formula, delta is equal to ABC by 4R. Delta is equal to ABC by 4R. Normal triangle area. Delta is equal to ABC by 4R. But here ABC by 2R. ABC by 2R అన్నప్పుడు ఈ 4ని మనం 2 into 2Rగా రాసుకుంటే ఈ 2 ఇటు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. For ABC by 2R is equal to 2 delta. For final one is 2 delta cos A, cos B, cos C. For area of parallel triangle in terms of sin and cos, whenever circumradius is given, area of parallel triangle is equal to r by r square by 2 into sin 2a, sin 2b and sin 2c. And in terms of cos's, 2 delta is equal to 2 delta into cos A, cos B, cos C. These two are the for area of parallel triangles. This is one part is over, area of parallel triangle in terms of circumradius, and the second part is in radius of the parallel triangle. In radius, and that means smaller. We know the normal triangle delta is equal to r into s. Area is equal to in radius into semi perimeter. But you have to find out the in radius here. R is equal to delta by s. R is equal to delta by s. We know the delta. R square by 2 into sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c, because area of parallel triangle. But we don't know the s. Semi perimeter. Semi perimeter formula a plus b plus c by 2. Delta is equal to rs, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. What is a? Side of parallel triangle, side of another parallel triangle, side of third parallel triangle. Just to write in the place of r sin b, r sin 2c and r sin 2a. For here r sin 2a plus r sin 2b plus r sin 2c by 2. Take r common here, r by 2 sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. We know sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c formula 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. మన కాంపౌండ్ యాంగిల్స్లో మనం ఫార్ములా నేర్చుకునేటప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్ములా వస్తుంది. sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 into sin a, sin b, sin c అని వస్తుంది. బట్ సెమీ పెరిమీటర్ is equal to r by 2 into 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. ఇప్పుడు ఆ సెమీ పెరిమీటర్ వచ్చేసింది, మనకి ఏరియా కూడా వచ్చేసింది. r square by 2 into sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c కూడా వచ్చేసింది. అది మనం ఫార్ములా ఈజీగా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. r is equal to delta by s, where delta is equal to r square by 2 and here s is equal to r by 2 into 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. Now apply here r is equal to delta value is equal to r square by 2 into sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c by semi perimeter r by 2 into 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. See here sin a, sin b, sin c in the denominator and the numerator sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c. Now here I apply the formula for sin 2a, sin 2b and sin 2c. In terms sin a, sin b cancel, we get the final answer. Now I remove this semi perimeter. Just here r square by 2 and r by 2. R square by 2 by r by 2 sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a, sin 2b, 2 sin b cos b, 2 sin c cos c by 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. See here sin a cancel, sin b cancel, sin c cancel. Therefore here r square by 2 into 2 by r, 2 cancel, 1 by 2 into cos a, cos b, cos c, cos a, cos b, cos c. Here 1 r cancel, 1 2 cancel. For final answer, radius is equal to r by 2 into cos a, cos b and cos c. For radius small r is equal to r by 2 into cos a, cos b and cos c. Here two derivations we obtained from this pedal triangle. One is the area of pedal triangle and second one is the in radius. From this we have to use angles of pedal triangle and the sides of the pedal triangle and apply this. We get the area by using half into BC into sin A formula. The delta area of pedal triangle is equal to, in terms of circumradius, r square by 2 into sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c, and in terms of sides obtain one formula, and by using these two we have to find out r is equal to delta by s, and delta is equal to r square by 2 sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c by semi perimeter. You know the semi perimeter formula also, r by 2 into 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. By using delta is equal to rs, r is equal to delta by s, finally we obtained r is equal to r by 2 into cos a, cos b, cos c. For in first video angles and sides, on third one, in second video area of pedal triangle and in radius of the pedal triangle. In third video we discuss about the distance between orthocenter and circumcenter. Okay, thank you.